Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Upgrade. I'm Sarwa Satir, and in this video I will help you how you can create your own WordPress website just in a few minutes. It's a very easy tutorial. Creating websites seems complicated and boring, but we will make it so fun and very enjoyable, and you will learn how to do this on your own. So before going into tutorial, make sure you have subscribed to Coding Upgrade and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload new videos to this channel. So open your browser on your PC, go to codingupgrade.com/Hostinger. You will have up to 75% discount on this web hosting. And Hostinger is very cheap and affordable web hosting. It's also very good for hosting WordPress websites. It will give you a good, even the best performance. When you come here, go to hosting, because there are different options here like WordPress, website builder, hosting, and in the hosting section again we have different options here, but for small and medium websites this option is the best. Go to web hosting, and here we have 4 different plans: and single, premium, business, and cloud startup. And here you can read the descriptions here. I don't recommend the first one because you will not have a free domain in this plan. And you can choose from these 2. If you're just beginning, if you are just at the beginning of your business or blogging journey, you can choose from these 2. In the business plan, you will have some extra features like WordPress staging or object cache, and also WordPress AI tools, on-demand backup, also free CDN. But in this plan you will not have those ones. And also in the business, if you compare to premium, the storage will be NVMe. In this one it is like 5x faster performance compared to the premium one. So I recommend this one if you can. And let's go add to cart. And here there are 4 different periods: 12 months and 1 month, 42 months. And in the monthly you will have an extra fee for the setup, you can see that. And in 12 months you will still save $132. And you can see there is free domain for the first year in all these 3 periods. But in the 48 months you will save a lot of money if you can go with the 48 months. And all the domains are free for the first year. And now you have to write your information here, and you can see they're also optional. If you don't want to enter your individual information you can skip them, but the country is mandatory. And in here you can write your email, or you can connect your Gmail or Facebook, but I have written my email manually. And continue. Here there are different payment options like credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and some others. But credit card and PayPal is easy for me. I will choose credit card, and I will use PayPal credit card. Here it will ask to confirm the payment from your bank account or PayPal. So I will choose PayPal app on mobile. I will continue. And now I will approve the request on my mobile, and it is completed. Now we have to set a strong password for our hosting account. Make sure you have made all the check marks as green and continue. And that's it. Our hosting email is not yet verified. So go to your email address and open the email you have received from Hostinger and click on verify email. Nice, the email is successfully verified. Now if you want, you can active two-factor authentication, or if you don't want, you can cancel this here. Now it's time to set up our domain and hosting. Click on start now. Now you can click on skip. Click on skip. Now you can claim a free domain. Click on select. And here you can search for your domain name. I highly recommend you to choose a .com extension for your website because it is the most trusted and popular one. If your domain name is not available with .com extension, then you can go with other options. I will choose .net in this one. The domain is available. Let's continue. And now it asks me the primary details of this domain. It's for personal. Choose your country. Click on next step and enter your contact details here. It is very important. And in the email section, you can change your email if you want. The email will be registered for this domain. And write your city and address, also your phone number. Click on finish registration. Now confirm your email address. Click on register. You will receive a confirmation email on your email address which you have added here. That is very important. I will show you how to confirm that. After your domain registration, there is one very important thing to do. Go to your email address which you have used for your domain registration. Then you will receive an email to verify your information for this domain. And it's very important. You have only 15 days to verify this information. Otherwise your domain will be deactivated after 15 days. So click on this link. And my email address is verified successfully. And it's done. And let's continue. Now it's time to choose your server location. And click on change server. If you want to change, you can select from these servers like Europe. You will choose your server according to your need, which countries you want to target on your website. So I will choose the default one and finish setup. Now let's go to manage site. Let's check our website. And nothing installed on our website yet. Click on auto installer. Choose WordPress. Write your website credentials here, like website title, like Satyr Academy. And this is your administrator email on your WordPress website. This is the username which we will need to log in our WordPress panel or WordPress backend. Write a strong password so you will remember that. And click on next and leave it default and install. Now you can see SSL certificate is already installed and activated, and the Lightspeed cache is activated, and Force HTTPS is also enabled. Now I think the WordPress is installed. Let's check this. Yes, WordPress is successfully installed on our website. Now if I want to log into my WordPress backend, I can click on edit website. It will directly take us to the WordPress backend. If you face this issue, then you come back to your hosting panel, and here First flash cache, do this. Then you can go to security. Here you can see there are some plugins which is automatically installed and activated. You can click and disable them right now. Also, you can delete them if you want. We will delete them from the WordPress backend. Now let's back to dashboard. And also remember one more thing, if you are using some VPN application, make sure you have disabled that. Sometimes your website which is hosted on Hostinger won't work with your VPN. Click on edit website. It will redirect us to our WordPress backend, and it is the easy way to log in our WordPress backend. Nice, and we are in the WordPress backend. Also, we can log into our WordPress backend using this URL, satyr.net/wp-admin. You can see, and here I will write my username and password. Nice. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed from this tutorial, and make sure you have subscribed to Coding Upgrade and give a thumbs up on this video and leave your opinions in the comment section, and see you in the next video.